Hey, my name is Susheel Kumar and my age is 50 years. I live in Folsom, California. Uh, it is very near to the Bay Area, 50 miles from the Bay Area. And I live here in this beautiful house with my wife, Garima Srivastava, and my son, Sagar Verma, who is recording the video. Let me hold the camera here so that I can show you him. Hey, here's my son, and this is my house. I live here in this my house, a very beautiful house, and I inspired the cooking with my father. Myself and father, we was staying into the Himalayas for 30 years. I was staying with my father there alone, and we was cooking the food. I basically learned all the cooking from my father, and although he's not a cook, but he was a general manager in a company. And from there I came to the US in 2000, and I cook here maybe 4 or 5 times in a week. Most of my cooking is into the mutton, chicken, and some vegetarian stuff I cook, but it's very delicious. I hope I will show you those things. You can taste it. But let's pause the video here. We'll go inside and I will show you more stuff there. Saga, pause the video, please. Okay, now we are inside the house. This is my living room. Here we all sit together and families comes here. And one of the more thing which I want to say, I am a very good player of electric guitar. This is my guitar which I play a lot, and this is nothing but this is a Stratocaster electric Captains. So that's the guitar which I play a lot. So let's go inside of my kitchen. Let's go. Let me show you the more inside the kitchen. But before I go into the kitchen, this is my dining area where we sit together and eat in the night. Although it's a double story, we won't go upstairs. But I can show you from the bottom. It's a two-story house. Let's go inside of the kitchen. So this is my family room, and here we all sit together. And that's some serial is going on. Kids they like some Hindi serial. This is the kitchen area, which you can see. This is a lot of the kitchen area. And before I go, let me show you the pantry here. This is some of the spices which you can see. This is the all Indian spices. Will love Indian food. It's one more thing which I can say about the food. Food is almost everywhere. It's the same kind of the food, but how you prepare, that makes the more difference. Preparation will tell you whether the taste of the food, preparation and presentation, these two things should be the good in the food. It needs to be tasty. And see this is the more of the spices here. We do add one more thing. This is the Indian style tawa. We use it a lot while cooking the bread. And this is some of the prepare here, some of the spices which I am going to put into this mutton. Let's pause the video here so that I can prepare and show you guys again. Saga, please pause the video. Okay, so let's make the mutton now. It's evening time. I have restarted it around, it's going to be 7:50 now. So it's evening 7:50. We recorded the previous video in the daytime because outside it's otherwise going to be at that time it was sunny outside. Now it's dark, so let's start preparing this mutton. As we are from India, we take dinner at the very end in the day around 8 or 9 o'clock. So this is the mutton as it was there, and this is the ingredients we are going to put. And this is the cilantro, onions, garlic, ginger root, cumin seeds, salt, most important stuff, salt, black cardamom, cinnamon, this is the red chili flakes, and the bay leaves, and of course it's an Indian food, nothing without the turmeric. Okay, so and this is just a powder of all these stuffs. what we are going to do is this. We'll turn on the gas. Before I turn on the gas, let's do one stuff before this. We'll take the mutton off from this. We'll take this off and put into a kind of a bowl where I can wash it. See the mutton, quality of the mutton, it looks like very good. The color of this is kind of the pink, and that's how we say that it's a good mutton. And see, this is the chops of that the leg piece. Now I have put the spices inside of it. It will take another 15 minutes. Till that, I'm going to stop this video. Saga, please pause the video. Once it's ready, we'll go again. Yes. Because I want to let them know it's a chili. If I cut, then it's not going to be chili. Here you go. And let's put this in a way I was thinking, can I make or can I not make? $1 million question. Can I make or can I not make? I am not sure. Let's see how I do the plating today so that you guys will like it. Here we go. It's better to take this off, you know. Everything needs to be same way. Now, can I make or can I not make? That is a $1 million question. I already told you it's a $1 million question, not less than that. I need one more of this so that here we go. Here we go. I don't need this here. Okay, now I need this. One stuff here, one stuff here, one stuff here. See, now I need a couple of more of these. Okay, it's better if I can have small pieces. People, they don't like the very large. Okay, here we go. And here we go with the salad. Okay, here we go with the salad. One more because it's 4 corners. We'll see, can I? Here we go. Here we go with this. I need a couple of tomatoes, not all the ways. Here, 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 and here. Now it's looking colorful, am I right? Yeah, it is colorful. In any of this corner, I can put one of the lemons. If they like, they can like it. One more stuff which I want is onions, and it is here. With the mutton, it's always good to have some onions. And onions needs to be like this. See now, onions, 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 and onions. Onions, onions, and onions. Okay. So now I have the onions spreaded here and there. Now it needs to be. Now let's see what happened to my rice. If you see that's the rice. So let's take the rice off from this. It's very warm. Okay. So I need take this rice off. Here we go. And here we go with the rice. Here we go with the rice. And now, so let's take this rice off from here, and I need mutton. See the mutton, guys. This is really very tasty mutton, and I want you guys to enjoy in your master chef. There's my another here, and here we can take whatever you want to eat, but let's make it here like this. A mutton gravy with this. Here we go. This should be enough at least for one serving. Here we go. I will put here. Finely chopped coriander on top of this. On top of this. Here is the finely chopped coriander. I need 1 spoon, a spoon here, and a spoon here. Goes like this. You can, let's put all together. Let me remove everything from here now so that we can make it a day. So let me put it here. This is the, we can use it any other time. That's done. Let me put it here. Cleaning, you know, it's better always to clean once you're done. Otherwise your wife will say, oh man, why you cooked? You don't need to cook. So it's better to cook, and once you cook, we'll clean. And that's one of the main stuff you have to do. Cleaning needs to be done. Here's my trash bags. Okay, so now I have here, and let me put my dessert here in front of me. Am I right? That's what we are looking for. Here you go with this dessert. Okay, so now I have everything here. Yeah, you can remove some, no worries. He's taking the picture, he's saying remove, and I have removed it. So for you guys, making sure that everything looks nice, let's put it like this way. So now I have clean, everything cleaned. Is this, I told you, making food is, you have to think why you are making, what you are making, for whom you are making. For whom is the one of the pillar of the food, one of the pillar, for whom you are making. And that has to be according to his taste, not as per your taste. It has not to be for my taste, it has to be for your taste. If you like it, call me on the Master Chef. See you guys there. Bye now.